Hey guys, so yeah, since I last saw you, had a shower and something to eat, and we're waiting on the side of the road for our truck to Manali. Turns out it's 3 trucks, they're going back in convoy. So one of them will have the auto. As I said, we don't really want to drive it back. 4 days, just a bit too long. And then there's 3 of us, there's myself, and our mate Chris, who rode here. We're gonna jump in a truck each and head to Manali. So yeah, it's between 22 and 24 hours. It's apparently they stop for food and drinks pretty often, so should hopefully be all right. But yeah, we're just wondering what's happening. We're told to meet by the big Indian flag, but no one seems to be here, so fingers crossed we've got a lift, eh? Nice. Our main men arrived. We've come here to the Indian Army base because there's a little area where we can load the auto easily, so we're in business. We're about to jump in some trucks to Manali. Oh shit. If this is the last anyone ever sees of me, then delete my browser history. It goes without saying. So, thanks guys. Okay, so we have our rickshaw successfully tied in the back of the truck. This is our driver Nitu. Yeah man. He's going to take us to Manali. So I think we're just waiting for the other trucks to refuel, and then we'll be on our way. Sweet, we've been driving for a couple of hours now. Nitu's doing an awesome job, killing it. And we just stopped for a bit of dinner. So gonna get some aloo gobi with chapatis, and then we'll keep going, I think. Dinner's arrived. Pretty damn tasty, so I'm gonna hook into this and then we're going. Alright, dinner's done. Time to hit the road. Going fast. Taglangla, was that. It's the highest peak, highest pass on the way there, on the way back. It was where it was snowing when we came over last time, so yeah, it's a lot warmer in the truck. Nitu sorted us out with some blankets and got some tunes cranking. It's pretty good actually, so yeah. So we just went through Sachu, and just here is where my GoPro got run over by the 4-wheel drive. Right, so it's about 6 o'clock. I've been on the road for 10 hours, about a little bit over halfway there. I think I've got about 5 minutes sleep, so that's been fun. Nito's still going strong.
Yeah.
Yeah. We're killing it. But the sun's starting to come up. which is quite beautiful actually. I'm not naturally an early riser, so it is nice to see the sunrise, even if it is a bit of a forced one. But yeah, so I'm just gonna sit back and enjoy this, and enjoy this smooth road we've got at the moment.
ना सो खाली है।
Alright, stopped for a bit of breakfast somewhere along the road. Just a random little place. Our auto is still in the back of the truck. Morning, Chris. Had a good sleep?
Just applying some hand sanitizer after a rough evening.
We won't go into any more detail than that. Yeah, but the auto's still there. We're about 60 k's out of Keelong, which means about 200 k's from Manali. Yeah, and this is our little breakfast spot here. I'm gonna go grab a bit of a feed, then jump back in the trampoline. Alright, we're in our little tent. Got a fire going. The boys are warming up. Say good day, guys.
Okay.
Yeah. Got a chai on the way. Yeah. Defrost the hands. It's pretty cool, actually. Breakfast is done. Time to hit the road again. I think they're just trying to push start a truck here. That's how you do it. Sleeping? Oh, okay. Just stopped on the side of the road, just outside of Keelong. And my man Nitu is pointing me in the direction of this to freshen up a bit, so I'm going to do that, then we're going to head on. Feel much better after that. Refreshed. We're just waiting for the other truck with Chris. Then we're off to Manali. Sweet. So it turns out we're stopping for lunch before heading on to Manali. I suppose these little miscommunications happen when I don't speak any of Nitu's language and he doesn't speak much English, but that's alright. We're just wandering across this little bridge here. And there seem to be a few restaurants on the other side, so we'll go and see what they got to offer. Lunch has arrived. Veggie looking delicious stuff. Bindi? Bindi and dal?
Yeah.
Dal? Bindi and dal?
Yeah, it's like the Irwin.
And chapatis? Luckily I've got my friends here to let me know what it is. Thanks guys. I'm gonna dig in and then yeah, go to Manali. That's awesome. We just had a delicious lunch. This truck drivers sure know how to eat. Good lunch. You too? Yeah. Awesome. Good lunch, Az?
Yeah, man. It's tip top. Good price too. Less than $2.
Yeah. Alright, and off to Manali. Alright, we're back where it all began. Just about to start our climb up the backside of the Rotang Pass. Last pass before Manali. My man Nitu's killing it. Got this under control.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. And here we go. Woo! On the smooth road. It's plain sailing from here. That was it. The Rotang Pass. It's literally all downhill from here. And we'll be back in Manali, where it all began. Thanks to our man, Nito. Fantastic. That's it, the last checkpoint. So about 10 k's from Manali, I've just come across a bus with a flat tyre by the looks of it. And in the true spirit of Indians helping each other and, you know, helping us, as you know, in the past we've been helped a fair bit. We've stopped to give them a hand, so we'll just go and, yeah, see what Nito can do. Yeah, so it looks like they just needed to borrow a tool. Bus driver's got it under control, so we're just going to have a try. Wait for him to finish with it. It's just amazing. I was just talking to Nito, and after he drops us here in Manali, he has to drive to Mandi, which is another 110 kilometers. He's been driving since 8 o'clock last night. That makes about 21 hours now. He's probably got another 3 hours to go. And he still stops and helps these guys because they need it. Yeah, top guy, really top guy. And how good's this? The place we stopped to have our chai, showing the cricket match, Australia versus India. Bus is just about done, chai's finished. Unfortunately didn't see a wicket, but we're gonna rock and roll. Okay, so we got here to the Volvo bus yard. We're trying to unload the auto. The first idea was just to lift it off, but yeah, wasn't so keen on that. So I think now we're trying to back it up to a wall or something so we can just roll it off, which will be better. So I can't really understand what's going on, so I think that's it. Let's hope so. All right, so we ended up backing the auto up here. I sort of half reversed it off, but then we ran out of fuel because all the fuel spilt out in the back of the truck. So then these legends here, these champions, they all pushed it off and we got it off. So we're auto free from the truck. So success. I couldn't get it on film because I was steering and driving and pushing, but we got there. Whew. So we made it to Manali, as you know, thanks to my main man, Nitu. This guy is amazing. I can confirm, number one truck driver in India, without a doubt, without a doubt. Scrap that, number one driver in the world. Like, forget Schumacher, forget Vettel, forget Brock, number one driver in the world. 21 hours through the Himalayas. And I felt completely safe the whole time. Our auto got here in one piece, we got here in one piece. This is the man, Nitu. I didn't quite understand that, but awesome truck too, and thanks heaps, man. Oh, let's just...
Okay.
Thank you for getting us here safely, man.
Okay.
Really appreciate it. Now we've got to get our stuff and pack the auto and... yeah. Alright, so we've got the auto packed up. Got ourselves back up here to old Manali. Checked into a guest house. Went and picked up the stuff that we left at Zostel Manali. Those guys have been fantastic. They let us leave the bulk of our stuff there while we went on this trip. Really made it possible. Also the owner gave us a whole lot of tips on places to stay, how much fuel we'd need, things like that. So yeah, but wow, what can you say about that trip back? 22 hours in a truck from Leh to Manali. And the only thing I could really say is it was an experience. Maybe not one I'd want to have again, but yeah, at least I know that now. I mean, don't get me wrong, it was awesome to meet the guys, get a glimpse into their life, have a little chat to them while we're having our chais and breakfast and that, but yeah, it's been about 37 hours since I've had some proper sleep and I'm beat. So I'm going to go and have a shower, grab a bite to eat and sleep for like 24 hours. So I'll catch you guys on the next adventure. Ciao.
ਨੀਵੀਆਂ ਤੂੰ ਕੁਝ ਚਿਰ ਪਾ ਕੇ ਰੱਖ ਲੈ ਪੱਲੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਮੁਖੜਾ ਲੁਕਾ